Local arborist says the high heat combined with that rapid cool down contributed to a large tree falling in the East Bay. Cron 4's Philippe Djegal shows us the damage.
Day after the temperatures neared triple digits in Contra Costa County, a cool down followed in the hills on Saturday afternoon. And that is when Alex Llamas with Savant Arborist says this 90-foot, 90-year-old blue oak came crashing down in the wind, breaking through the patio in the back.
If you think of as like wood is in fibers and cells, the heat causes the cells to expand. And then a nice cold, cool night causes the cells to retract. And so that constant move or that rapid movement will give you a perfect formula for failure.
Llamas is a certified arborist and says once the tree split and its core was exposed, he discovered some rot and believes the tree had a better chance of survival had it been evaluated in the weeks and months prior.
That's the unknown, is we don't know. But had we been here earlier, we could have said, hey, we need to do a structural pruning on this tree, and we possibly could have saved it if we installed cables or something. But unfortunately, in this event, it was too late.
Llamas says blue oaks are in abundance in the East Bay, big, beautiful, and drought-resistant, but adds this species, as well as Siberian elm and sycamore trees, are prone to this kind of failure.
This is fairly common. You're going to see this a lot, so just be on the lookout. If you have a tree like this, contact your local certified arborist and get your trees examined.
In Contra Costa County, Philippe Djegal, Cron 4 News.